Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on Bitcoin. As usual, if you like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, Bitcoin has been bullish, managing to make higher lows and higher highs, and especially after breaking above the 30 to 32k resistance. It's currently acting as a support zone. So if you manage to retest it, we'll be looking for trend following while setups. And it's quite interesting because previously we had this range between 15k and 25k. We broke it upward. We got stuck inside this range for a while between 25k and 32k, and now we broke above the zone. So this candle reminds me very much of this big candle. So I'm expecting also a range inside the zone, at least for a couple of swings like this one, two swings, and this one multiple swings. So I'll be trading this range, of course, until we see a break above the 40k, because the 40k is a very strong zone. Previously a resistance, turned support again, and broken downward. Now it's acting as a resistance zone. And then of course we'll be expecting a price to trade inside this range. But let's take it step by step, right? We broke above the 32k, now it's acting as support, and we are approaching the upper bound of this range. Of course, we can still trade higher from here, but we can see that the momentum is getting weaker and weaker. So we might be see the correction earlier than we can expect, or we might still trade a little bit higher, test this area before the correction starts. If you zoom into daily time frame, as per my last picture analysis, I was speculating or comparing the current price action to the previous price action or to the history, right? Previously, we had this movement, we had a reversal, a rising correction, a reversal, a falling correction, reversal, and we are currently forming a rising correction, which reminds me of this move. Of course, for this scenario to play out, for this scenario to get activated, we need to see a break below the previous low, just like here, right? For the correction to start before the next impulse push the price higher. So we want a break below this major low, or as an early alert, we want to break below this previous low from H4 time frame, because after this big impulse movements, bulls seem to be exhausted, and they are still pushing higher, but couldn't push higher as much as before, right? With the same intensity, if you want to say. So if you break below this zone, because this is an early alert that we might be seeing a reversal to be confirmed by a break below the previous low, which would be here. If you break it downward, expect a movement back to around this demand zone, 30 to 32k support zone now. Meanwhile, and until this happens, Bitcoin will be bullish and, as mentioned from daily, can still trade higher and higher than around the upper band. For now, let's see how it goes. Let's wait. And of course, for the bulls to remain in control from here, from a short-term perspective, we need to see a break above this high. In this case, expect further bullish movement, just like this high got broken, retested, and we are trading high. We want a break up of this high or a break below this low. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.